Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you could join me today. Today I'm working again in my junk journal January 2025. Today I'm working with I think day 3, which is tickets. So I'm trying to figure out, let me put this right here so we won't get distracted by that one. Tickets. Now that's something, tickets. I love tickets. I got a lot of tickets. I got this. I'm just going to get started because I don't want to keep you here too long. Thank you for being here. And also, let me thank you for one of my new subscribers. Thanks for subscribing. I am so glad to have you along. Hope you are enjoying my content. And I won't keep you very long. I'm just going to get going. So, I have these Tim Holtz Stampers Anonymous. I got too much stuff on my desk. These Tim Holtz Stampers Anonymous stamps, and they're tickets. So what I want to do is stamp a couple to see if I can make a background. So I got my little stamper thing here. Let me get this like that. Let's put some stuff on it. You know what? This stamp pad seems a little dry. I'll have to re-ink that one. Let me see if I can use my, my VersaFine Claire one. I think that one's good. I think I inked that up the other day because I got a few with inkers when I went to the Scrapbook Expo. So I got a few inkers from the Scrapbook Expo. And that looks good. That looks good. It don't have to be fully made, but that one's good. Okay, put that there. I'll wipe them off when I'm finished here. Let's get this one. I just want to use a couple. I don't want a whole bunch. And so today's page is tickets. And so what better, see, drop this one before. What better to do tickets than that? So I just want to get a couple there as a little background. I have a whole bunch of stuff here. Like I got this and these things. I think I want to put down some newsprint. I always like a little newsprint in any of my junk journal spreads. Like that. A little newsprint, my junk journal spreads. I'm gonna hold for a second. Pause. I had to put my pup outside. Yeah, I think I want to add a little newsprint, but it is kind of bright, the newsprint. So I'm working with tickets today. I can remember when I was a kid, I used to collect little tickets and things like that. I used to always have that kind of stuff around. Little tickets and things. I used to collect all kinds of papers and things back then. I loved paper. I still love paper. I can understand why I'm a paper crafter. I love paper. I love playing with papers. Let's see. I got, where's the tickets at? See, that's the thing. Now that I'm actually working, I can't find all the tickets. That's a ticket. That's a ticket. I got these things, and I like them for some reason. I don't know why. Doesn't fit. I'm not gonna use them. Not gonna use them. Okay, so I like this ticket. Let's put this one on here. Let's put this one right here. It's a passenger coupon ticket. These whites are too white for me. I'm gonna tone them down a little bit. A little of that. Tone it down a little bit. Sometimes you gotta turn it down because sometimes it's just like too bright for this thing. What else I got? Got some words. Already got words. Got some more tickets. Got another ticket. Let's see. I got this ticket. I got this one. So I'm enjoying this process so far, because it means I have to think about what I would like to do and then come down to the craft room daily now. I'm trying to come down here daily. I could do them all. You know, I said, oh, maybe I should sit down and do a whole bunch of them. But then I thought, no, does that fit under there? Then I thought, no, let's come down daily. Let's come down and actually do it daily. Even though people are on day 8, day 9, come down and do yours daily. Here's the lady I want to use. She's the traveler. And the tickets are all about her. She's my traveler. She's my traveler. And I didn't want to put her right in the middle. I think I want her right there, near this. I'm gonna slide her over a little bit so I can keep the word passenger showing. There we go. Slide her down a little bit. So I'm gonna keep the word passenger showing, because she's the one who's traveling. I need this bus ticket, because when she gets off the airplane, she's gonna have to catch the bus to get to where she's going. That's a transport buses right there. This was kind of the same kind of ticket. But I don't know if I got too many tickets. Do I need another ticket? I don't know. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I like this stuff. I don't know why. I want some of that stuff on there. I had one that I made dark. What did I do with it? Oh, here's a little ticket. Here's a little ticket with some color, more color. Give me some color balance. Let's put this one on here. Let's put this one like that. Let's put this one like that. So I can have a little ticket. A little balance. Then here, I'd like to throw some words right there. Just some words. Just some words. I don't know what the words say, but some words. Put some words right there. Hope I'm still in frame. Move it up a little bit. Move it up a little bit. I should have moved it up before, but I think I'm still in frame. Now, I always like some nice word. So this is a ticket too. And what I'm going to put here, because I'm not going to keep you long. This has been a short one, I'm hoping. Is this. And this. Put it here on this ticket. And here it says, I think this is all I'm going to do. I'm not going to add any splatters. I'm not going to do any of that. I'm just going to have this go this way. And let me just, because I tore it, got a little dark to that. I think toning it down did a little bit. Let's tone down the white of this some. There. All right. The world needs who you were made to be. So there she is. She's traveling. She's been on a plane, a bus, and everything. There you go. So that's my spread for day, what day is this? Let me get this on. That's my spread in Junk Journal January. Tickets, day 3. Let me check that off so I'll know. So I'm always looking for what day I'm supposed to be. So I've done day 1, day 2, and day 3. Tomorrow I'll do outline, and then I'll just move on. I'll be a little bit behind. Maybe the crew will be finished, but I'll be a little bit behind, because I do want to try to do them daily, which will mean, let's see what day they're on. So it's day 8, what most people are, and I guess I'm 1, 2, 3, 4 behind. So I'm gonna get it done. I'm gonna complete the whole thing, but I'll be a little bit slower. So, little recap. That's my cover. This is my envelope page, and this is my ticket page. I should put the days. I should go 2, 3. I think I will if I find some. If I find a thing, I'll put the 2, 3 on it, so I'll have it. But thank you for joining me today. Thank you. If you like my spread, I wish you would give me a thumbs up. It does help the algorithm on my channel. And also, if you like what I'm doing, to subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye now.